Welcome to the JET classes, and we are dealing with mean, a few problems on mean. So here we have got a table. In the table we have got a missing frequency which is called P, and they are telling find P if mean is 25. So we follow the normal rituals for finding out the mean. We take out the class marks, we name it as X column. So class marks is what? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So 10 plus 0 is 5, then here it will be 15. 10 plus 0 by 2 is 5, then 20 plus 10 by 2 is 15, then this will be 25, this will be 35, this will be 45. So now we get fx. So this will be 25, this is 15p, this will be how much? This will be 3, let me see, 15 5s are 75, 7, so this will be 375. Now we have got 16 into 35, 560, then we have got 270. So what is mean? Sum of this column. So I am summing up. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2, 1, 3, 7, 3, 10, 16 and 7. 23, 2. 3 into 5, 5, 10, 12. 12, 30 plus 15p is equal to, let us see here, 15 and 5 is 20, 20 and 10 is 30, 36 and 6, 42 plus p. So now we set in the formula. So 1230 plus 15p divided by 42 plus p is equal to 25. So now this goes this side, so 1230 plus 15p is equal to 25 into 42, so this will be 1050 plus 25p. Now that means what do we get? 25 minus 10p is equal to 1050 minus 1230. So minus 10p is equal to, let us see, 1050 and 1230. So 1230 is 0, then 8 and then 180. So p is equal to 80. So we got the missing frequency. Thank you.